me tell you, if Florida were to pass like an open carry, like Texas and Arizona, right? Arizona has it. If they were to pass it here, bro, I guarantee you we'd have a lot less armed robberies. If you did send the letter and everything, somebody dropped the ball, bro. Like now they're talking, whatever. They're saying that unfortunately there was no other way to get our message out that this is the way, that this is legal. It's legal to whatever, and there was no other way. And that's okay, and that's fine.
Fishing, hunting,
correct, which is what they're doing. They're fishing.
Once they reach their car, they can't open carry.
No, he even knows, dude. They know it to the T. He says, "I gotta go take a piss." Hey, and by the way, I'll be concealed when I'm pissing. I'm not gonna. They know it, man. They know it, dude. They have 2 attorneys. Listen to this. 3 weeks ago, they sent a letter to our chief, our city attorney, and Fish and Wildlife.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
The public get an education, but you guys got an education on what.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean,
what's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and this is more body cams. I will be fast forwarding through some of this. There's a way to slow it down on YouTube. You just go down into the bottom somewhere and it'll say, normal speed, slow it down, whatever. Figure it out. If you want to slow it down, the audio will be there, but it's just going to be a lot of so just to get that out of the way. Now, those parts I fast forward, they are just talking, what I know of is just basketball and housing and certain things. So it's really not pertinent. But I do stop when the pertinent stuff comes. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. I hope to see a lot of you out there on November 11th at 10 a.m. In Titusville at the Max Brewer, the park right there at the beach ramp, or the boat ramp, I should say. And I hope to see a lot of you there. I hear there's somebody coming from Georgia. I hear there's some people coming today. So we're going to have a great time. I've got plenty of food for everybody. I do have some vegetarian options as well. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Links are in the description. They're always in the description. So just go there and you'll see them. And I'm going to get out of here. Soliaker, deuces.
what's up?
I'm not trying to run on Channel 4. I don't think you run on Channel 4, can you?
Huh?
Fishing license on Channel 4?
He says he told me to try to. I don't know. I felt
Oh yeah. If Marine Patrol's on, I'm sure they know.
Is there any way that you can run a fishing license to the system?
I did notify Florida Fish and Wildlife, so you guys know. They know the law.
Okay.
About what? What'd you notify them? That you were coming here?
Yep. Southern Command.
What'd they tell you?
Said thanks for the heads up. Have a great day.
Well, it would have been nice for them to call us.
Yeah. That's the problem right there. Well, hey man, I wrote a letter to your chief and your city attorney.
Not ours.
I did.
To the city of Miami or city of Miami Beach?
Miami Beach.
Oh, did you?
I will show you the letter. I wrote it to your city attorney and your chief police.
Really?
Carbon copied and everything, man. No one wrote me back.
What was the date on that?
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago?
3 weeks ago. Just as a courtesy to your city.
No, which is fantastic.
You know?
What,
No one wanted to write me back.
3 weeks ago, you said?
Yes. I'll show you the emails. Our attorney has it too. Florida carries attorney. So we don't just like nilly-dilly just like come out and open carry.
Which is what I thought to begin with.
You know what I mean? We're not idiots. We're law-abiding citizens. We know what we're doing.
I mean, inherently, people who open carry aren't criminals. You ever
No,
seen
absolutely.
Carry? Like,
So I
they
tell you.
hide their rusty 38. And they rob somebody for what they got.
740 Officer Kirby, you're on here. Yeah, no, 1.
Yeah, that would suck.
Yeah, then you're like,
I have a warrant
they
for a
just
parking
committed
ticket.
a crime with a firearm. That's 5 years.
It's Dade County, bro. You're not getting 5 years.
Yeah, they're raising you.
Me? Oh.
They're raising you on water.
Kill zone, kill 20 trying to park for 0 901.
This is bad.
Let me tell you, if Florida were to pass like an open carry, like Texas and Arizona, right? Arizona has it.
45 states.
If they were to pass it here, bro, I guarantee you we'd have a lot less armed robberies. Did they?
Yeah, they tried.
Yeah, but that was in conjunction with what? The Mariel boat lift and everything else was going on? That was after it?
It was in 86, 87. They tried it. A lot of people scared. A lot of people showing up.
My dad lives in North Carolina. So when I was there, I was like,
Is it another permit besides it or no?
no. If you don't have it concealed, you have to open carry. You have to.
Oh, it's the other way around.
Yeah, you have to open carry. If you don't have it concealed.
Correct. Which concealed is what it is.
Exactly.
Correct.
But no one, I didn't see one
It's
person.
like that in Alaska, too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they are mine. And those are mine.
Are we gonna take them off already?
Yeah, Alaska's like that.
Alaska too?
Like ours?
Huh? Well, where were we at here? Are these guys federally going to federal prison or not? Let me see what the fuck's going on.
Oh, no, I'm catching lunch right now.
Where we at?
Lieutenant, man.
Huh?
Waiting on Lieutenant. Most likely we're gonna put these guys loose.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cuff them in the front?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can uncuff them. Let's make sure that's probably the best
Yeah,
way
yeah.
to have me detained. Like, what do you want?
Dame una cuff key. Yeah, they just have to wait till we get the word from the upper brass or whoever started this nonsense.
I got you.
But just do me a favor, just don't
Of course.
don't face the guns or whatever.
Yeah, no problem. Dude, is there any way I can use the bathroom? If you come
I
with
can't.
me?
I mean, if you can wait, I think we're looking at
All
like
right.
five minutes.
All right, cool.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I got you. Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Dude, I'm sorry, Shane. I'm so sorry.
You're all
Wait,
right.
no, show me.
I didn't handcuff you.
Yeah, I am out of sheets. Shit, man.
Oh no, this is this. Here.
Yeah, no problem.
Plenty of water. Got a case.
Yeah, we can have a drink, but you gotta conceal. Actually, no, you can't even.
My
Right?
stomach look like it's or something?
Walk into a bar with it.
Oh, no. You can't sit at the bar. If it's more than...
Huh?
You can't sit at the bar. I forget if it's more than...
You can go in where you can't sit at it.
If like the
Yeah, you can go into the restaurant part of it.
Yeah.
Right.
As long as like 60% of their sales or something are
Right.
alcoholic.
Well, here it's 90.
Yeah, seriously, every place here is...
You know what's crazy is if this clears this up, right? That if this clears this up, how is it that this never came up? You know what I mean?
Because it's never...
All the years.
It never happened before.
No one's ever come to South Beach.
But the benefit to all this going on
I've been
today
to Alita.
is not only did the public get an education, but you guys got an education on what the
Yeah,
laws are.
absolutely. I mean, if it
And that's the whole point of
if
us
it
doing
pans,
this.
yeah, if it
Just
pans
to
out,
educate
I know, and it
the
sucks that
public,
you guys got to be the guinea pigs, but I guess somebody has to.
Somebody has to do it or we lose our rights. So you'll know how to approach next time you have a call like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, regardless, that's not the
And
truth.
also the call they
Because
got
if you got guns on you, you're gonna get drawn down. I don't care where you are or whatever.
Oh, really?
So we didn't know that.
You know, not anywhere you go, because I've had the same interactions and never had a gun drawn.
Okay. Well, that's there.
Just,
They may not work where we work.
yeah, I live in Port St. Lucie, Stewart.
Oh, that's got its time. They might.
Like I told you, and I told everybody else. You guys are trying to make a statement.
We're standing up for
Listen to me. We're trying to make a statement. I totally understand that. All right? We got to take our safety into account first.
we want your safety.
Yeah.
We got to listen to what I'm saying. All right? We have a lot of people, crazy people out there, shooting cops, shooting people. Yeah.
Not only that, we have a huge. I don't know why, but we have, especially this city, we have a huge influx of sovereign citizens.
Listen, we know your guys' job is not easy.
At all. We don't know what it's like to work
Sovereign
for
citizen
making a
biggest
statement.
bullshit.
No shit, but you try explaining that to them.
No,
They don't
both
have
of
to
them jumping
follow
in
the
the
law
wall.
because they're sovereign.
Wait, what's a sovereign
Get this
citizen?
cherry in the water. I'm not
What's a
gonna
sovereign citizen?
They claim they're
They claim that they don't have to adhere to any government thing. You know, they're,
Are they United States citizens?
yeah,
Citizens, but they don't want to follow the rules.
correct. Like they don't even register their cars.
Squatters' rights in
They don't register their cars.
Just like live in a house?
Huh?
Squatters' rights? Is there like
Yeah, that's
squatters'
here.
rights?
That's sick, right?
Just like living in a house? We're law-abiding citizens, I believe it. But until we prove it otherwise, we gotta take every precaution.
Yeah, and on the part of me watching my hide, we're gonna have to agree to disagree. I'm gonna take every measure to make sure I go home, regardless of what your feelings are. At the end of the day, if we all walk away, we could either walk away shaking hands, or you can tell me to go F myself. But regardless, I went home. You know what I mean? That doesn't really affect me. Now, as far as everything else, if this is a teaching moment, then shit, something came of it. You know what I'm saying?
Personally, I don't think it'll be clear. Man, I got a lot
But
of
if you
I'd rather consume it.
He's forwarded it to me. He was
Tell him
like,
I'll call
can
him
you free
as
this
soon as
for
we're done
make
here.
sure it sounds official and everything.
was sent
to our chief, yes.
And our city attorney?
I don't know.
No,
that.
our chief and who?
Yeah,
No, you said two people.
The Miami Beach chief and the city attorney and the Southern Command for Florida Fish and Wildlife.
All three.
Fish and Wildlife wrote
3
me back.
weeks ago.
He wrote me back.
Yeah, we crossed our T's and dotted our I's.
Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images. So that's not the case. So what we're going to do is we're going to escort them out. And we can't stop them from open carrying. So we're going to assign 2 guys. We're going to assign 2 of his guys to shadow them. Okay? Preferably guys with,
What are we doing as far as the pier? They can't stay here.
No, we're shutting it down. So it's nothing to do with them. We as a city are going to shut the pier down. Just because of an officer safety / public safety issue. What I don't want in case these guys on the pier, something happens with somebody, they have a gun, they take a hostage on the pier.
I mean, at the end of the day, now they're talking whatever. They're saying that unfortunately there was no other way to get our message out that this is the way, that this is legal. It's legal to whatever, and there was no other way. And
It's
that's
only
okay.
legal
And that's fine.
for fishing, hunting.
Correct. Which is what they're doing. They're
Once
fishing.
they reach their car, they can't open carry.
No, he even know, dude. They know it to the T. He says, "I gotta go take a piss." Hey, and by the way, I'll be concealed when I'm pissing. I'm not gonna. They know it, man. They know it, dude. They have 2 attorneys. Listen to this. 3 weeks ago, they sent a letter to our chief, our city attorney, and Fish and Wildlife.
They probably blew up. We don't
Fish and Wildlife didn't though. Fish and Wildlife told them, "Oh, it's today. Thanks for giving us the ups." Fish and Wildlife didn't call us, but I mean, they did everything. They did everything.
Block of the beach call. What couldn't happen yet?
Gentlemen,
Guys, listen up.
We're going to be shutting the pier down for the rest of the day. So nobody's going to be on the pier. Okay? What is your plans from here out? What do you guys plan on doing?
If you're shutting down the pier, then we'll leave.
I'm back Palm Beach.
We'll get out of your hair.
No, I just want to know so that we can facilitate whatever it is that
Head back up
you
to
guys are
Broward.
planning to do. What's that?
Head back up to Broward.
Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is, you guys are parked in the lot.
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay.
And they're good. Okay.
Okay. All right. If you guys are parked in the lot, we're gonna take the firearms down with you guys. All right, we're not gonna take them away from you. We're gonna follow you down with the firearms. Okay. We have a little bit of an issue just handing you guns here.
Okay.
There's really nothing in the law that says about handing back and forth firearms out to the public. So we're gonna give you back the firearms. We've already taken them from you, but we're gonna give them back to you. Since you guys are leaving, we're gonna give them back to you at the vehicle.